Setting up a global HR infrastructure can feel overwhelming, but with Oyster, it doesn't have to be. Whether you're managing a remote team or planning to expand internationally, Oyster simplifies the process of hiring, onboarding, and managing employees in multiple countries. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the key steps to get your global HR infrastructure up and running with Oyster. First, let's talk about what makes Oyster stand out. It's a software platform designed to streamline global employment, offering features that cover payroll, benefits, compliance, and much more, all in one place. It enables companies to hire talent in different countries without the need for setting up local entities. This is particularly valuable for small and medium-sized businesses that want to expand without the legal and administrative burdens of establishing an office abroad. Once you sign up for Oyster, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your company profile. This is where you'll input essential information like your company name, your preferred payment methods, and the countries you plan to operate in. Oyster has a comprehensive list of countries available, so it's easy to choose where you want to hire and manage employees. The platform will automatically adjust for local labor laws and payroll requirements based on the country you select. Next, it's time to add your team members. One of the standout features of Oyster is its ability to handle multiple employment types, from full-time employees to contractors. You simply invite your team members to join the platform, and they can securely enter their information. From there, Oyster handles all the administrative tasks related to contracts, benefits, taxes, and more. The software ensures that everything is compliant with local laws, so you don't have to worry about potential legal issues down the line. Payroll is another area where Oyster excels. You can easily set up payroll for your team, and Oyster will manage the disbursement of salaries in local currencies. It's fully integrated with tax reporting, ensuring that your payroll is both accurate and compliant. The platform even offers detailed reports, so you always have a clear understanding of your expenses and employee compensation. What about benefits? Oyster allows you to offer benefits tailored to each country, which can be a huge advantage when working with a global workforce. You can provide healthcare, retirement plans, and other benefits specific to the location of your employees. Oyster makes it easy to manage these benefits, ensuring that your employees receive the support they need while also keeping things streamlined for you. Lastly, Oyster's platform is incredibly user-friendly, with a clean interface that makes navigating between different functions simple and intuitive. Whether you're tracking employee performance, reviewing payroll data, or managing compliance documents, the entire process is organized in a way that saves you time and reduces administrative complexity. For those of you just starting out, you'll be pleased to know that you can try out Oyster for free through the first link in the description below, where we also offer exclusive bonuses. By using Oyster, you're ensuring that your global HR infrastructure is set up correctly and efficiently, helping you scale your business internationally without the headache of managing everything manually. If you're looking to create a global HR infrastructure that grows with your business and makes managing international employees seamless, Oyster is the solution you need. Keep watching until the end for a special offer on an extended free trial that you won't want to miss. So, if you're ready to take your global HR operations to the next level, Oyster makes it simple, compliant, and cost-effective. Don't miss out on the chance to get started with an exclusive extended free trial. Check out the first link below to learn more.